Okay, in this video we're checking out the Plaid motors and Venom props from NewBeeDrone. Got this here on, this is the B-Brain Light setup and cockroach frame with the Goober canopy. It's pretty much exactly the same as the original AcroBee B-Brain Light setup I had from before with the gold motors and the 4-bladed E-machine props. Seen videos of this one before on my channel. I just have another setup here with the Plaid motors and the Venom props. And basically the main difference between the gold motors here on the left and the Plaid motors on the right is the KV. They're both 6 by 15 millimeter size in terms of the can, both 6 millimeter motors, and the KV on the gold motors is 19,700 and the Plaid motors is at 22,500. So essentially the the larger KV, the bigger KV is going to give you a little bit more punch out on the top end, and that's kind of why they kind of paired up those motors with these props here, the two-bladed props kind of with a big paddle. And they're supposedly advertising better acro performance on this setup versus the gold motors, and I would have to agree that that's true. However, the difference between the two setups is not extremely noticeable. I guess it's not really that big of a difference. You can feel it in the flight in terms of being able to recover out of dives and such like that. However, you do still get the yaw washouts on this setup here on really severe dives, so you are going to have to sort of fly through those and figure out ways to get around that. It is possible, but yeah, if you just kind of fly like a 5-inch, and you're going to get yaw washouts even on this higher KV motor and this prop. But it does have better recovery and flips and rolls. It does seem to be more responsive on this motor and this prop versus the standard gold motor and a 4-bladed prop like this. Now for racing and a lot of tight turns and stuff like that, when you're flying fast, I still recommend the gold motor with the E-machine 4-bladed prop. I think that's going to be a better setup. But if you're going to be doing more acro flips and rolls and stuff like that, then this is not bad. And I would recommend it if you're going to be doing that exclusively. Or just get both of them and have different setups for different types of flying. That's kind of what I would recommend. Now, I did a review earlier on the Unicorn motors, which was like I think that was a ridiculously high KV, like 25,000 KV, also on a two-bladed prop, and that had lots of like really high amp draw, so that would draw your battery down pretty quick. Now on this setup here with the Plaid motors and this prop, amp draw wasn't nearly as severe. Still, I was drawing more power than on the gold motors, of course, with the higher KV. So you should expect a little bit lower flight time in this versus the gold motor. That's totally expected, even with the two-bladed prop. So that's pretty much it. That's really the only difference. So go ahead and show you some more flight footage. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.